I'm tracking light snow and another cold snap coming. Whether you live in southwestern Maine year-round or only part-time, we can give you the level of care and coverage you and your property deserve. Home and Away Home Watch will be here when you can't be. Thank you for being our sponsor today. Let's take a look at the forecast. Satellite picture is going to show clouds coming in from the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes. Got a couple clippers coming in, and that's going to bring cloud cover. You see that here, and that southern stream energy, the southern subtropical jet stream, that's cut off, so we're not going to get a lot of moisture with this. Here it is. There's that low spinning through Maine. We'll have a bit of a coastal low set up as well, so we'll see how much moisture we can squeeze out of this, but there's a couple opportunities here for light snow. Make sure you're checking nappycast.com and Facebook and Instagram for that snow forecast. I want to get into the longer range stuff next 6 to 10 days. Notice how cold it's going to be across the heartland. Big ridge over Alaska, trough right in the heartland, right in the central part of the country. For us, though, in Maine, we're about average for temperatures here. So we're getting up around the low 30s, upper 20s, but that's going to change. When we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to get a brief cold snap to come through, and that's going to see right here temperatures start to cool down middle to latter part of the week. Now, it's nothing that's going to break any records. It is the middle of January. It's pretty typical for us, but we will be colder as we get deeper into this week than it is today with that light southwesterly breeze. So here is that cold snap coming for January 21st. It's a significant one. This one is going to bring the temperature down to close to single digits along the Maine coastline. It's significant. I don't expect to be record-breaking. It is still January, but this one with that trough sliding farther east and less towards the heartland of the country, it will be colder. So precip-wise, the next 10 days, not a lot of precip with these clippers coming through. They're moisture-starved for the next few days, but there will be some waves of precip. And then as we get to really Sunday, Monday, we'll see how much moisture comes up. We tap any southern stream energy from the south to come up Sunday and Monday to get anything somewhat significant. Right now, I do not have high hopes of a significant storm. There's not a lot of signal here that we're going to get a lot of moisture come up. But regardless, let's take a look at Monday's winter storm. So this is coming next week, obviously for the holiday. And there is some snow. There's enough moisture there to get a few inches. But this is not overly significant, certainly nothing like a blockbuster. And look at the cluster of lows on Monday's storm. So all the way down off the coast of Virginia up towards Nova Scotia. There's not a tightly packed cluster of lows there. Nothing that would show me a signal on January 20th that we're going to get a blockbuster storm. What we will get after that, now this is January 25th, so a lot of time to fine tune this, but still a more significant, upper air disturbance here with that trough. You see the colors there are a lot brighter. So that's showing that 850, so 5,000 feet up in the sky, there's a colder core of energy or cold air. So a deeper kind of pool of cold air to pull from there. A little piece of the polar vortex coming down, but that is not till January 25th. Thank you to Home and Away Home Watch.com for being our sponsor today. Hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll see you on jasonnappyweather.com and nappycast.com.